What do you do when you have a nut or bolt that's stuck on there and you can't get it off? Well, there are a couple of techniques. First, you can try putting a little penetrating oil on the nut or bolt and see if that loosens it up. Next, you can use what's called a cheater bar, which is simply a pipe that slips onto the wrench handle, gives you extra leverage. I've tried both of those techniques and I still can't get this bolt off. So what I tried to do next was add some heat. I heated this nut up a couple of times already, and I'm going to do it one more time, but the heat expands the nut or bolt, and then when it cools off it contracts. And you do it again and it expands and contracts. And that expansion and contraction will often break the bond that's holding the nut or bolt in place. So all you need to do is get a propane torch, light it up, and heat up. In this case, I have a bolt right there. And you usually have to heat it for at least 3 or 4 minutes. But like I said, I've already done this twice before. So I'll just show you. I just put the flame within almost an inch away. Make sure it's turned off all the way. And then try. I may need to use the cheater bar on this. There you go. It's loosened up. Now this tip works great, but remember you're working with an open flame, so be sure there are no combustible materials anywhere near the work site.